Imagine a world where industrial automation is as seamless as a symphony. IEC 61499 is the conductor orchestrating a revolution in automation. It's not just a standard, it's the future of industrial innovation. IEC 61499 bridges the gap between IT and OT, creating a harmonious industrial Internet of Things. This convergence is reshaping industries, making processes smarter and more efficient than ever before. Automation Expert Unleashed dives deep into IEC 61499, offering a treasure trove of insights. With nearly 1,000 full-color images, it transforms complex concepts into digestible knowledge.
Hands-on exercises in this book ensure you don't just learn but master IEC 61499. Practical insights make it a must-have for anyone serious about industrial automation. Industry experts share success stories showcasing how mastering IEC 61499 has transformed their careers. The tangible benefits are clear: innovation, efficiency, and a competitive edge. 61499 isn't just theory, it's a game changer in real-world applications. With the help of Automation Expert Unleashed, you can boost efficiency, productivity, and reuse, turning your projects into well-oiled machines.
Automation Expert Unleashed is your roadmap to mastering IEC 61499. By embracing this knowledge, you'll lead the charge in industrial automation innovation. Order your copy today from Amazon and start building the future of automation. Together, let's shape a smarter, more efficient world.